Hi friends, welcome back to Safety Lessons. I'm glad you're here with me today. We have been learning so many safety rules. We've learned rules like to never play with guns or fire, to hold a bigger person's hand when we cross the street. We've learned that we need to ask first, right? If someone comes to you with wanting to give you something or wanting you to go somewhere, you need to ask first, right? And also, we need to remember our ways to stay safe. We've learned this too, that we use our ways to stay safe. We think of the rule. What's the rule? We use words that mean no, and we tell a bigger person we trust, right? Yes. We've also learned about safe touches. We've learned what a safe touch is and what an unsafe touch is. And today we're going to continue learning about safe touches and unsafe touches, okay? So let's think back about our lessons about safe touches. Is shaking someone's hand a safe touch? Yeah, shaking a hand is a safe touch. But what if you don't want to shake the person's hand? Is that a safe touch? No. What about hugs? Are hugs a safe touch? Yeah, hugs can be a very safe touch. But again, if you don't want a hug, is it safe? No, it's not a safe touch. So we're going to learn more about another touching rule. And in this rule, it's a long one. This rule says a bigger person should never touch your private body parts except to keep you healthy. So that's really long, isn't it? Let's say it again. A bigger person should never touch your private body parts except to keep you healthy. Okay? We're going to break that up a little bit today. We're going to talk about just the first part of it. A bigger person should never touch your private body parts. Okay? So we're going to start by looking at a picture of Grant and Tanis. Grant and Tanis are having so much fun. They're playing in a wading pool outside, and it's nice and hot, and they're wearing their bathing suits, okay? Now, a private body part is your body parts that are covered by your swimsuit or your underwear, okay? So Grant's private body parts are covered by his swimsuit. His private body parts are his penis in the front, and his buttocks or his bottom in the back. And Tanis, her swimming suit is covering her private body parts also. Her private body parts are her breasts in the front, her vagina or vulva in the front, and her buttocks or bottom in the back, okay? And those private body parts are covered by their bathing suit or their underwear, right? Let's look at this, and I want to look at the second part of the rule also. So a bigger person should never touch these private body parts that we just talked about except to keep you healthy. What do you think that means? What would a bigger person do to keep you healthy? What if you need help wiping your bottom after going potty? Is that a safe touch for a bigger person to help you wipe your bottom? Yeah, that is a safe touch. If you want them to help you wipe, then that's a safe touch. What about a doctor? Does a doctor need to touch your private body parts? You know what? Sometimes they do. Let's look at this picture. Here's Tanis again, and she's at the doctor, and she's getting a checkup. And sometimes when the doctors do a checkup, they have to check all of your body to make sure you're healthy. This doctor's going to check Tanis's ears, her nose. She's going to look at her eyes and inside her mouth. But she's going to also listen to Tanis's heart. And you remember when doctors listen to your heart, they use their little stethoscope things. She's got hers in her ears. And she's going to put that cold thing on Tanis's chest. Okay, and she's going to listen to Tanis's heart. She also we'll probably look underneath Tanis's underwear to make sure she's nice and healthy there also. So let's remember the touching rule. Can you guys say it with me again? It's a bigger person should never touch your private body parts except to keep you healthy, okay? So we'll talk more about this rule in the next couple lessons, okay? But just remember that a bigger person should never touch your private body parts except to keep you healthy, okay? All right, friends, I will see you again next time. Bye.